Hare Krishna, by the mercy of Sri Sri Radha Gopal, Sri Sri Lalita Vishaka Sati, Sri Sri Gaurmata, and Sri Prabhupada, Sri Gurudev, and all the Vaishnavas. I am here reading the poem written on 75th Vyas Puja of His Holiness Jai Pratap Swami Maharaj. So, poem is in Marathi. So, I am reading Marathi stanza and then translating in English. So, please hear patiently. My English is not so good, so please forgive me. परम पूज्य जय पताका स्वामी महाराज, हिज होलिनेस जय पताका स्वामी महाराज. प्रभुपादांचे आहात तुम्ही खूप शिष्यवरिष्ठ, मायापूरशी तुमची आहे नातं खूप घनिष्ठ. You are very senior disciple of Srila Prabhupada and you are having very strong bonding with Sridham Mayapur. अल्पवयातच प्रभुपादांनी दिला तुम्हाला संन्यास. श्रील प्रभुपादांचा होता तुमच्यावर पूर्ण विश्वास. At very early age, Srila Prabhupada awarded you sannyas because Srila Prabhupada had full faith on you. मायापूरच्या विकासाची जबाबदारी पडली खांद्यावर, तुमच्यामुळे मायापूर दिसत आहे खूप सुंदर. Srila Prabhupada gave you the responsibility of development of Sri Mayapur Dham, and because of your efforts, now Sri Mayapur Dham is looking very beautiful. बंगाली भाषा तुम्ही लवकर घेतली शिकून, अनेक लोकांचे जीवन टाकले तुम्ही बदलून. You learned Bengali language very quickly, and by hearing your Bengali lectures, hearts of many people change. वाळवंटात फुलविला तुम्ही भक्तांचा मळा, दरवर्षी भरतो आता तिथे कीर्तन मेळा. You acted like a skillful gardener, and now many devotees are blossoming in the desert land, Gulf countries, because of your mercy, and many kirtan melas are being organized there because of your preaching. भक्तांबद्दल आहे हृदयात कळवा, पाहतात भक्त होतात अवतीभवती गोळा. There is so much compassion and love in your heart. Because of this, devotees feels very close connection with you, and whenever they see you, they gather around you. विविध आजारांनी सध्या आहात ग्रस्त, तरी सुद्धा आहात तुम्ही प्रचारामध्ये व्यस्त. Currently, you are suffering with various diseases, still you are engaged in preaching the message of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. प्रचार करताना येतात अनेक तुम्हाला अडचणी, तरी सुद्धा कधी तुम्ही हार मानली नाही. You have been encountering so many problems and difficulties while you are preaching, but you have been always victorious as your name is Jai Pataka. कृष्ण भक्ती जागृत होते तुम्हाला पाहता क्षणी, भक्तांनी समर्पित केले जीवन तुमच्या चरणी. Krishna Bhakti awakens at the moment anyone sees you, and devotees dedicates their life at your lotus feet. सगळ्यांच्या पाठीवर कृपेचा हात ठेवतात, जगातील भक्तांना प्रेरणा देत असतात. You inspires all the devotees around the world by your sweet words and loving relationships. कोटी प्रणाम करतो, क्षमा करा माझ्या चुका, तुमच्या कृपेने मिळतो आहे गोलोकात जाण्याचा मुका. I bow down to you million times. Please excuse my mistakes that I may have committed. It is by your grace and mercy we are getting chance to go to the spiritual world, Golok Dham. Hare Krishna. So this is English translation of the Marathi poem. So please forgive that I may have committed any mistakes, and I ask blessings from His Holiness Jai Pataka Swami Maharaj to bless me to write more and more poems, short poems on our acharyas also, and all the scriptures, Vaishnava literatures, so that uh, I can able to preach the message in Marathi, Hindi, and English also, all three languages. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. His Holiness Jai Pataka Swami Maharaj ki Jai, Shri Shri Radha Madhav ki Jai, Shri Shri Panchatattva ki Jai, Shri Shri Radha Madan Gopal ki Jai, Shri Prabhupada ki Jai, Hare Krishna.